Hi, my name is Cody, and today we'll be discussing basic engines testing and servicing. The first thing we're going to do is check fluid levels, which would be coolant, oil, and fuel levels. Once you've checked all your fluid levels, the next thing you're going to do is start checking for leaks. You're going to look at your hoses and any connections that hold any kind of fluid, and you're going to be checking for leaks. If there are any leaks, you're going to need to find the origin of the leak and determine what repairs may need to be done. The next thing you're going to do is listen to the engine and feel for any abnormal vibrations or shudders the vehicle is putting off. You're going to start out in the cab at an idle, and then you will rev the engine up to roughly 1100 RPMs, once again listening for any abnormal noises, and then again at roughly 1600 RPMs. Once you've listened to the engine inside the cab, you're then going to move to the engine compartment and listen to the engine once again at idle, 1100 RPMs and 1600 RPMs. After listening to and feeling the vehicle, you can determine any further tests or repairs that need to be done. The next thing we're going to do is watch for the smoke coming out of the exhaust when the engine is first started. You will then rev the engine to the governed RPM, watching the smoke coming from the exhaust. From the color and the quantity of the smoke, you can determine if any further tests or repairs need to be done.